Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing good. Today we will do vowels in English. So before that I want to tell you that we have 26 letters in our English alphabet, and out of 26 letters 5 are vowels and rest are consonants. So I will tell you which letters are of vowels and which letters are of consonants. Now see here, I have written A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K L M N O, P Q R S T, U V W X Y Z. Now I will let you know which letters are of vowels. Now see, letter A, letter E, letter I, A, E, I. Where is O? O is here. O and U. These 5 letters are of vowels and rest letters are of consonants. So today we will study about vowels, not about consonants. Now you all listen it very carefully what I am saying and you will enjoy. Here we go. So we will know what are vowels. Now students, vowels means voice or you can say sound. It helps us to pronounce any word easily and correctly, and also it improves our diction. Now, there are 5 vowels in our English language, and that are A, E, I, O and U. Now see, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are the short vowels that we use. Okay? Now I will write some words which start from letter A. First letter I am writing, first word I am writing apple. A-P-P-L-E apple. A-X-E-X and A-N-T ant. To make more interesting, first I will sing a short poem for you which will help you to learn the sound of letter A. Now see. Ant on my arm. Ant on my arms are causing me alarm. Again. Ant on my arm. Ant on my arms are causing me alarm. So what sound you are hearing again and again? The sound of a. What happened when ants bite us? We say a. We say a. So the sound of a is not a. It's, you have to say slowly a. Apple, eggs, ant. Once again I am repeating. Apple, eggs, ant. The sound is a. What happened when ants bites us? We say a. Now next second letter is E. Now see, again I am writing some more words that start from letter E. Eight. E-I-G-H-T. Eight. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. And the third letter I am writing E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Now see, again I am singing a short poem for you. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, and they are ready to eat. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, and they are ready to eat. So what sound we are hearing? The sound of a. How we break egg? A. The sound of E is not E, but it's a. You have to say slowly a. Now see, 8, E-I-G-S-T, 8. We will say letter E or we will pronounce E, A, 8. Elephant, eagle. So once again I am repeating the sound of E is not E but it's A, 8. Elephant, eagle. Now third letter is letter I. Now I am writing some more words which start from letter I, and that are ink, inside, and important. Now listen. Inky is the mouse, is my pet. Inky is the mouse, is my pet. Inky is the mouse, is my pet. So, Inky is here. I said Inky again and again. The sound of I is E. Inky is I. E. Ink. Inside. Important. Again. Inky is the mouse, is my pet. Inky is the mouse, is my pet. The sound of I is not I but it's E. You know in Hindi there is choti E and badi E. So we have to remember the sound of small E. E. Ink. Inside. Important. The next letter is U. The next letter is O. The sound of O is very easy. We have to make our mouth round. O. What happened when you are playing and your mom say go and study? We say O. The same sound of O is O. So I'm writing few words. We start from letter O. Orange, old, and ostrich. It is the largest bird. Now see. What have written? Orange, old, ostrich. Now let's sing a poem. Oh, oh, light is gone. Oh, oh, light is gone. Oh, oh, light is gone. Let's on the light. So what sound is repeating? Again and again the sound of letter O. So the sound of letter O is O. Just make your mouth round. O. Orange. Old. Ostrich. And now last letter is letter U. Now let me write some word. Umbrella. Under. Last one is urn, which means pot. Now again I am singing a short poem for you. Up goes the umbrella. Up goes the umbrella when it rains heavily. Again the sound of U is not U, it's up goes the umbrella. Up goes the umbrella when it rains heavily. So always student remember the sound of U is not U, it's a. It's a. Umbrella. Under. Earn. Now you can see I have written all the vowels A, E, I, O, U, and once again I am repeating the sound of all these letters. The sound of A is ant. Ant on my arm. Ant on my arms are causing me alarm. The sound of A is a. Yeah. Apple. Axe. Ant. The sound of E is how we break egg. The sound of E is not E but it's a. Eight. Elephant. Eagle. Now the sound of letter I is Inky the mouse. E. Ink. Inside. Important. Always remember the song. Inky is the mouse, is my pet. Inky is the mouse, is my pet. Now next letter is O. Now again we will sing a short song which starts from letter O. O, O, it's stuck. O, O, it's stuck. Let's O on the light. The sound of O is O. Sound of O is orange. Old. Ostrich. The last letter is letter U. The sound of letter U is up. Up goes the umbrella. Up goes the umbrella when it rains heavily. So the sound of you is not you. Sound of you is a. Sound of you is a. So student, vowels are very important for us. It helps us to speak or to write correctly. Play an important role. As I said you earlier, whatever we write or we speak, vowels are always there. So vowels are seen everywhere. Vowels are seen everywhere, whether we write or speak. So dear students, this much for today's session. I hope you liked it. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.